Today, we're going to slow down and breathe together. And this kind of breathing helps calm the mind, settle the body, and build emotional strength. It's a small practice with a big impact. When it comes to making changes in your life, you're the expert. You are in the driver's seat. Everything else is just a guide. Welcome to InJoyness Podcast, your guide to wellness, recovery, and change. I'm your host, Dela, and thank you for joining me on this episode. This isn't just about relaxing, it's about helping your body feel safe. When we're stressed or anxious, our breath gets shallow and fast. That tells our nervous system that we're in danger. But when we breathe slowly and deeply, we send a different message. I'm okay, I'm safe. In this practice, I'll guide you step by step. We'll start by gentle breaths and gradually deepen them. As we go, notice how your body responds. Maybe your shoulders drop, maybe your chest softens, or perhaps your thoughts slow down. And this kind of breathing helps calm the mind, settle the body, and build emotional strength. It's a small practice with a big impact. So let's begin. I now invite you to sit comfortably wherever you are. Please close your eyes. Or if you prefer, you can just soften your gaze. If during this practice your thoughts wander, it's okay. Just let them go and return to your breath and the sound of my voice. Focus on your breath, just the way you naturally breathe, without effort, without having to change. Just observe your breath. Just see your inhale and your exhale. Just notice your inhale as it enters your nostrils and your exhale as it leaves your nostrils. I now want you to observe the temperature of your breath. This isn't something we usually notice. However, I want you to observe the temperature as it changes. Probably it's cooler as it enters your body, and how the temperature changes to body temperature as the breath leaves through your nostrils. Again, we're just noticing without effort. And if thoughts wander, bring your attention back to your breath. I want you to bring your attention to your inhale as it enters your body. Let's bring your attention to the part of your body where the inhale settles. Maybe it's in your throat, or maybe it's in your chest, or maybe it's somewhere else. Wherever it is, just notice. Again, there's no need to make an effort or just simply being present. I now invite you to hold an imaginary flashlight. And I want you to get really curious and shine that flashlight inside of your body. And we're really just looking for anything that grabs your attention. Maybe it's some sort of a tension in your muscles or your shoulders. Maybe it's some pressure in your face or behind your eyes or in your head. Or maybe it's a tightness in your chest or whatever it is. Whatever tries to grab your attention. Notice it. And then let it go and put the flashlight away and come back to the practice of noticing your breath. I now would like to invite you to place your hand on your belly. Imagine there was a balloon inside your belly, and as you breathe in, the balloon gets bigger, and therefore your hand rises with your belly. And as you exhale and you let go of all that air from the balloon, feel your stomach drop under your hand. And so breathe in and feel your hand rise with the stomach and let go of all the air from the balloon. And feel your hand drop with the belly dropping down. Let's give that a couple of tries. Inhaling, feeling the balloon rise, and exhale, feeling the balloon drop. I now invite you to change your exhale from the nostril breathing to the mouth. So inhale through your nose still, and this time exhale through your mouth, letting go of all the air from the balloon. Inhale and exhale through your mouth. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let's change that one more time. This time, imagine you were holding a straw between your lips. And because you're exhaling through the straw, that exhale is going to become extra long and extra slow. So let's give that a try. Inhale through your nose. And let go of all the air through that straw, nice and slow. Again, inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. That's a great job. Let your breath go back to normal. And I want you to grab that flashlight once more and shine that flashlight inside your body. We're looking for any changes at all. Perhaps you notice a little less tension, maybe a little less tightness, maybe a little more openness. Whatever it is, just be curious without judgment. Just noticing any changes at all. Or perhaps there are no changes, and that's okay too. Put the flashlight away and come back to your breath. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to breathe with me. As we end, notice how your body feels now compared to when we began. Maybe there's a bit more ease, a little bit more space inside, or whatever else. Deep breathing doesn't fix everything, but it gives us a moment to pause, to reconnect with ourselves. You can return to this practice anytime you need to feel more grounded, more present, or simply more supported. If you found this practice helpful, please share it with someone else. Until next time, take care. Thank you for listening to this episode of InJoyness Podcast, a guide in your journey to wellness, recovery, and change. In gratitude and love, I'm your host, Dela.